So we came to the old smuggler's gorge here in Romandy. Unbelievable. These kind of places exist in Switzerland. How high we are. So we came to the old smuggler's gorge here in Romandy. Unbelievable. These kind of places exist in Switzerland. Someone is following me. This place is awesome. And we are actually over 1,100 meters high right now. So in the middle of mountains, but still we are here in the hole. It's unbelievable. The old smuggler's route, they used to smuggle alcohol, cigarettes and stuff like that between France and Switzerland. This place is freaking awesome. Unbelievable. All you Swiss people who are going around the world to see beautiful places, you know, Thailand, Hawaii, whatever, you name it, Indonesia. That's nothing. This is Switzerland. Get to know your own country first. Places like this. I say it again. If this would be in Thailand, this place would be full of tourists. Even now. Oh, only us.
You were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker. pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Prettier from the minute that I met you.
This place is so awesome. It's freaking awesome.